Good day. We are going to discuss chapters 3 and 4. Our research design will be quantitative because our topic is all about quantifying differences between social media and face-to-face advertising, which that we were going to prove and finalize results.
The method we will use is a descriptive method because descriptive method's main goal is to describe data and characteristics or elements of the research topic. The research topic involves defining and describing face-to-face advertising and social media advertising. And lastly, the tool we will use is interview.
The researcher's conclusion was face-to-face advertising because it is more effective than social media advertising. Face-to-face advertising is also called as direct marketing, which is used in business and non-profits organizations that is for customers and to talk them straightly. Um, direct marketing messages emphasize a focus on customers, data, and accountability.